What's up guys, so today taking a walk out in Bedford Reserve, and I'll be using my trusty Fuji X-T4 and my 50 to 140 and taking some shots out in nature. Let's go! So my favorite parts about shooting in nature in general is it gives me that, it's just that peace of mind. And when I'm taking pictures in nature, no one expects anything. I don't have any clients with deadlines or requirements or requests or changes. It's just me being at one with nature, just enjoying my camera and also just getting some fresh air. Taking pictures with my Osmo Action today instead of actually using my camera, even though I do have my camera with me, just so that I can find some locations, find some inspiration, just go back to using any cameras to take pictures. And this is such a beautiful spot, like right here you can see all of this is amazing. And yeah, damn, beautiful to be back. It's gonna be my first video on the channel for 2022 in a long time, and I'm hoping that it's just the start of something beautiful, me just creating content and not just videos, but even just talking about things, giving my ideas and everything. So yeah, let's keep going.